Oh, boom! This is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus in a Billet Silver exterior. It's riding on the 17-inch Yokohama all-season tires with fantastic tread. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving the Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have your power mirrors, power locks, and power windows. The Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get yourself power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have yourself the cruise control settings. As for the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. Now as we move into the odometer, it reads 20,160 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with the Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. As you go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. When we go to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. The Grand Caravan comes with a tri-zone climate control system, which you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear. It also comes with heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Moving to the second row, we have 2 captain chairs. Both can be used as Sto N Go. As we move into the third row, we have 3 more seats, all with plenty of leg space. And for entertainment purposes, we have a DVD entertainment system. Once you're done in the back, we have a button that activates the power sliding door. As we move to the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. As for the third row, it is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. And also when you're done, you have another button that activates the power liftgate. So there you go, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus. If you like what you see, ready to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.